This is a guide to turn off or on the automatic air conditioning for the Kia Sorento. As standard, when you switch the controls to either of the demist settings, the aircon will automatically switch on. If you want to disable this, you will need to set it to 0, switch the setting to the demist from the windscreen setting, press the recirculation button quickly 4 or 5 times. You'll see that's now flashing. That will now have either disabled or enabled the automatic aircon. So you'll now see when I turn the heating on and switch to the demist setting, the air conditioning automatically switches on or off. If I go back to the settings, 0, demist, press it again quickly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the light will flash. The setting is now changed so that when you switch to demist, the aircon does not automatically switch on. You will need to do it manually.